पीछे।
Let's fight!
Nihal Khan opens here with a very nice left body kick. That is gonna hurt, especially considering how cold it is. Babar going in with a couple of shots, chasing him around the ring, literally chasing him around the ring.
Babar is basically looking for a KO right here in this his second fight.
Second fight of the evening. Let's call it like how it is. This is the second fight of the evening for Babar. Right now he has him up against the cage. He looks fresh. He probably is a little fresh. Really hard playing in that cage the first time with how wet it is. Nihal's putting up a good fight here.
Nihal is basically giving some competition to Babar.
Finally.
Didn't expect at all.
That opening body kick really seems to have gotten Babar's attention. He's playing it smart, but here we go. Babar, fundamentally a striker, groomed into being a wrestler, groomed at perhaps the best place possible, Cax Fight Club in Pindi.
Babar's other nickname should be Babar the Bomber Ali. He throws hard bombs to his opponents.
The bomber, the flogger, the whipper, whatever you want to call him, he is here to take souls. Babar doing an incredible job of holding him against the cage. Listen, man, I don't care. Oh, good knee to the body. Oh, now they play some music. That's nice.
These take up so much out of your body that you can't even imagine. बाहर से जो बैठ के देख रहे होते हैं उनको समझ नहीं आ रही होती. But fighters know. Beautiful slam to the ground by Babar Ali.
That's signature right there. Pick him up, toss him down. He has that left knee on the belly, trying to cross over into a full mount. That would be a very advantageous position. Perhaps he can move his right leg a little closer to his waist as well. Can't get tied up though. This is a game of chess.
Exactly. और लग ऐसा रहा है कि बाबर अब थोड़ा सा अपना उस फर्स्ट किक का बदला उतारेगा.
The fight started. Nihal, started the fight strong with that kick, but now Babar is in his element.
It's all Babar now in the cage.
The black shorts representing Cax Fight Club, almost legendary now in these parts. Nihal back up on his feet though. Nihal is doing an excellent job here.
आनी नहीं है. माइक में आवाज नहीं आएगी.
Oh my goodness, Babar Ali with those knees to the body. He pulls him down again into Nihal's guard, but nonetheless, Nihal getting back up. This is very, very impressive stuff from Nihal. It is not easy to get up from under Babar.
Exactly. This is considering the fact that this is debut for Nihal Khan and he's putting up a fight against Babar the Flogger Ali.
Oh my goodness, hooks there.
Good exchange, good striking exchange by Babar Ali. He's definitely looking for the KO. Sir, ये नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना, नहीं करना.
Oh, Babar there with a jab of his own.
Babar is stalking his opponent for a hard right hand, and there he goes. There he goes.
He's chasing him.
Exactly.
But he has to be careful. Nihal throwing bombs of his own there.
Exactly. A big kudos to Nihal Khan.
Nihal Khan doing an excellent job. Oh, he has him there. Nihal potentially trying to go for a judo toss. Don't think he's going to be able to get it.
He's definitely going to give his back to Babar Ali. And there you go. We shouldn't talk into these. Oh, yaar. सर लाइव ऑडियंस के लिए हो नहीं सकता. हाँ, पता क्या इशू है? अंदर फाइटर्स को कॉर्नर की आवाज नहीं जा रही है. It continues again. Hard right hand by Nihal Khan, but Babar fires with his own right hand.
And he looking for the finish. This is the most favorable position that Babar can get into on top of his opponent, passing his legs, throwing those bombs.
Daniel, we did not expect this at all in this second fight. It looked like a piece of cake for Babar, but Nihal Khan is definitely putting up a fight. Babar is definitely dominating in this round, but he's also facing a lot of fight from Nihal Khan.
Nihal Khan, all of the props in the world go to him. Babar Ali, although he's fought once, he's still fresh, he's still ready to go. This is very impressive stuff here from Nihal Khan.
Babar is always known for his knees, and hard knees from Babar to the ribs of Nihal Khan, and looks like he's gonna break the ribs of Nihal Khan. Babar slowly working his way up to mount. He has knee on belly. Knee on belly. Hard ground and pound. Heavy shots by Babar the Bomber Ali. The flogger is trying to finish the fight right here, right now.
It's about the speakers, bro. It doesn't matter where I am. They can hear us anyway. Wes, I really hate this. I really want my voice to...
A bit of judo display from Nihal Khan, but Babar is not giving up his position. Hard shots by Babar Ali. This fight can be stopped right here, right now.
The referee taking a good look at it, but this is the end of the round. Nihal Khan is... Here we go.
Let's see. Beautiful hard right hand countered by Babar Ali. Looks like this has become personal for Babar Ali.
Listen, if you are a touted prospect and it's your second fight of the night, what are you looking for? You're looking to make a statement. Get this guy out of there quick. Nihal Khan is ruining that party so far by still being in there.
Exactly.
But nonetheless, it's not about the party. It's not about this showing. It's about a fight. And so far, Babar Ali is certainly winning. And my goodness, that is why he's winning. An excellent takedown there. Had him up against the cage and now has him on his back. Babar Ali is on top position once again.
Babar has a knockout of his own in the past month when he slammed his opponent on the ground and knocked him out. Babar is up against the cage right now. Nihal is doing again a beautiful judo trip by Babar Ali. He does that a lot. He has shown that in past. Let's see if Babar can finish this fight on the ground. Babar showing his technique. Babar is on full mount right now. What he needs to do is posture up and throw ground and pound. Nihal tries to sweep, but Babar hard left elbow, hard right elbow by Babar Ali. I think he is gonna cut the face of Nihal Khan. Nihal Khan is definitely putting up a fight against Babar Ali, and he's gonna go. He's looking for a submission off his back. He's actually trying to go for a triangle. Babar needs to be aware of that. Babar needs to pull out from this position, because if he locks a triangle, it can be nights over for Babar Ali.
Luckily enough, this is happening right in front of the CAC's corner. They can guide him step by step carefully as to how to get out of this predicament. This is, I'm sure, something that they've seen a million times in practice. Babar here, still in that triangle position though, taking some shots, but he has to be careful.
This is not a good position for any fighter to be in, and not for Babar as well.
Nonetheless, he's still on top of him. He's looking for a slam. Oh, that's gotta be painful. That has got to hurt. Can you imagine getting lifted up in the air and slammed on some plywood? My God.
Babar passes guard as his opponent looks for an armbar. Babar is on side mount. From here, he can definitely throw all the ground and pound he wants. And he can definitely finish the fight from this position now.
He's throwing shots now. This is a much better position. Babar on full mount.
He's gonna get stopped anytime now.
Babar throwing heavy bombs here. Bombs, and Aqib Awan steps in for the flogger.
Declaring the winner